Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are taking makharij and actually what makharij are. So um, let me share with you. You can go to the Qaeda and page number 15, but I will write down something for you first and it will help you to understand makharij easily. And so we are taking makharij today, and pronunciation of makharij is like this: makharij. What makharij are? Makharij, makharij. Makharij is actually the plural of makhraj. Makhraj. And what makhraj is? Makhraj is the place. Yes, makhraj. And makhraj is a place from where the correct sound of the letter is emitted. So actually, from where the correct, when you engage that place, the correct pronunciation of the letter can be possible. So this is the place. It is actually makhraj is the place from where the correct pronunciation of any letter can be occurred. So and makhraj is actually the articulation point of exit, and from where the huruf are being pronounced. And what are huruf? Huruf are the letters. And today we are taking throat letters, and the throat is the makhraj. Yes, look, this is my drawing for a throat, and that there are three parts of the throat, and throat is a makhraj too. Yes. There are three parts of the throat, and throat in Arabic it is called al-halq. So the last part is called aqsal halq, lower throat. So we will write lower throat, lower throat, sorry, and this one is lower throat, this one is middle throat, and middle throat, and the last one is called upper throat. Upper throat. And in Arabia it is called aqsal halq, aqsal halq, and this is called wasat al halq, wasat al halq, and this is called adna al halq. So both of the terminologies are here. Adna al halq. Adnal. This is sakun. Okay. So which parts are so these are the names of the parts of the throat. This is actually a throat, and the lower part, lower throat, middle throat, and upper throat. So actually, which letters are being pronounced from lower throat? It is Hamza and Ha. Hamza and Ha. And here, Ain and Ha. Ain and Ha. And here are Ghain and Kha. So there are 6 letters which use the makhraj throat. Throat, they use throat to be pronounced. So from the lower throat, Hamza and Ha, middle throat, Ain and Ha, and upper throat, Ghain and Kha. So we have to memorize it. And the easiest way to memorize it, when you eat something, it's very much intact. There are everything is there, but when it goes into the middle throat, something is missing and there are no dots. And here, when you eat so much, you say ha. Yes, it's a funny way to memorize, but it is very effective. Ghain, kha, everything is there, and the dots are there, but in the middle throat it is removed, Ain and Ha. And then when we eat a lot, we say Ha. Ah. So Hamza and Ha. Okay, so these are 6 letters which are pronounced from the throat. So we can have its practice. So can I remove all these drawing? Okay, clear all points. Okay, and now we are practicing, and very first letter was Hamza. So Hamza is pronounced from lower throat. Lower throat, and the name in Arabic is Aqsal Halq, lower throat. Sorry, my writing is very bad, but you can understand, Alhamdulillah. And that the name of this makhraj is Aqsal Halq in Arabic. Aqsal. Okay, so Hamza is the first letter which is pronounced from here. Then the Hamza Fatha, the sound is A, very strong. I, U, A, I, U. The sound is very sharp. The sound is very strong. And because the makhraj right away cuts off the sound, so the sound is very short and strong. A, I, U. Then with Hamza, sorry. A, A, I, U. If you'll give sukoon, it will be ba. So you can also write it down to practice it. A, I, U, A, I. Sorry, this is not. This shouldn't be here. Or I can take eraser. Okay. I, U, ba. Again. A, I, U, with alif, it's long. A with ya, e, u, and then with sakun, ba. Okay, the second letter which use the same makhraj is ha. The same way we'll practice with fatha, with sorry, with kasra, with dhamma, and then with long vowel ha, he. This is sakun, sorry. He, who. I'll put like this. And then ha, he, who. Okay. Ha, ha, he, who. Ha, he, who. Okay, we can say ba, ba. Ha, he, who. Ha, he, who. Ba. Again. Ha, he, who. Ha, he, who. Ba. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.